Hey, what's up, fam? Getting it in. Hey, we just flew into Fresno, so yeah, it's a little late, but we're getting it in. Big question is, and I'm going to ask you, did you get yours in? So awesome job. But hey, I wanted to share something with you because this is something, especially when I'm on the road. Sometimes I don't sleep well. The beds are not the way they need to be, so it's not as comfortable. So I wake up kind of sore. So there's a couple of exercises that I do in the morning, and they help. And if you try them, they're probably going to help you too, as far as, warming the body up, loosening up things. Like for me, it's normally my hamstrings, my calves, my hip flexors, my hips, and my lower back. So warming those things up. So first of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about motivation. It's all about moving the body and getting it in. So welcome. So a couple of exercises. There's three that I normally do. And here you can see the first one. This one is really for just to kind of wake up those hamstrings, right? You can see, it's almost like, imagine getting some groceries and your hands are full and you're trying to close the door. So you push your butt out to close the door with your butt. So that's what this is. And you can see it's kind of the beginning of warming those hamstrings up, reaching down, really emphasizing keeping that back and pushing your butt out so you can really heat those hamstrings up. The next one here is a continuation where you're going down and going into a squatting position. Now, obviously, you can tell I'm still not that flexible, but the goal here is you want your palms to be away from you, palms down, and then you want to, be able to keep your feet flat. Well, I can't do that. You can obviously see it there, but I'm working on it. Hey, I'm a product in motion, so I'm still working on it. So, but yeah, the goal there is to push them down. You can use your knees to kind of stretch your forearms out, and then you can also on the other side use your forearms to push your legs out to stretch the groin area out, which really feels good right here. And then the last one is where you're stretching out the hip flexors. And so normally recommend a stick, a broom handle, something tall, so you can really reach up as you go down into that front position where you're like stretching it out and stretching your hip flexor out. So I'm using a chair here, but it's working. It's doing what I needed to do. And then for a little extra stretch, you want to kind of stretch toward that front knee. So lean over, really pull. You really want to get long. That way you're stretching it out, right? That long muscle, good stretch. You want to do both sides. And then, it doesn't take long. I'll say this, I'm not a big stretcher, so I don't like to be in positions too long. But for this one, a couple of seconds, 10, 15, 20 seconds, staying there. And again, it's really meant to be a stretch to warm up and go. It's not meant to be there all day. I'm a firm believer if you don't like what you're doing, you tend not to want to do it. So for this one, make it, it doesn't need to be long. So with that, that's all I got, guys. Hey, if you got any value out of this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And again, if this is your first time, hey, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. And it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us out. So again, invest in yourself, invest in your health, hit that like button. We'll talk to you tomorrow from Hawaii, by the way. All right, talk to you.